How's everyone doing today? So this is another video. I've been doing some testing with the Blizzard. I know the last video it was shooting around 255. Now this does have the new Lapco .684 barrel that I just got in today, and I am shooting the red riot balls, the 4-gram riot balls. And the issue I was having was that it was dry in the inside. I didn't lube it in like 6 months. So I opened it, cleaned it up, lubed everything, and it's working fine. Also, the adjustment screw here wasn't really set very well in the last video, so I set it real good, and it's in the 300s now, as you can see. So it's working pretty good. It's working pretty good. Yeah, the power fluctuates from 299, 297 to up to 308. But it's good. And as I said, I'm shooting the red riot balls, and these are 4 grams a piece, and some of them did go through, like right there. This one was last time. There's probably still balls inside there, but yeah, it's working good. So thanks for watching, and I'll keep you guys posted. Yes, this video was very short. All right, this is a part 2 of today. I set my wife's Blizzard, and these are the numbers that I'm getting with hers. Same red riot balls. Here, hang on to this. Just record right there.
1 second, let me get these.
Put them in your pocket.
No, pocket's not little.
Alright, leave them there. $329, $353, $353, $342. So as you can see, they're working very good. And the only thing I've done was I cleaned them out. Oh, I did do one more thing. I shimmed the spring a little bit more, and as you can see, I'm getting very good power out of them. So, you know, for those that say that these aren't very powerful, there you go. The numbers don't lie. The numbers don't lie. 342 is not bad at all. All right. There you go. So that's another test for today. See you guys next time. Oh, and by the way, that one is also, it has the Lapco 684 barrel for the red breaker balls. Have yourselves a good day.